This is the home panel. Select the interface language. Select a text file, for example, Alice. Check the encoding. Validate. Select form delimiters, for example, those here proposed. Validate. Segment the text file. Results of segmentation. Let's now explore the text. Each square represents a section of the text. Select the word Alice. Drop it on the map. This section contains the word Alice. Select the word Queen. Drop it on the map while holding down the Ctrl key. This section contains both words. You can browse the section. Press now the concordance button. Select the word Queen. Concordance of the word Queen. Sorting on the left context. Sorting on the right context. Press Know the partition button. Tag S to divide the corpus. Select Chapter. Tab of the chapter partition. Description of the partition. Distribution of the word Alice. Relative frequencies. Absolute frequencies. Specificities. Distribution of the word Queen. Find the word rabbit. Back to concordances. Adding the partition chapter. Back to the map of sections. Adding the partition chapter. Back to the partition. Let's now calculate the specific vocabulary for a part of the corpus. Select a part of the corpus. Calculation of the specificities for this part. Positive specificities for the part 1. These words are specific for the first part. Correspondence analysis provides a typology of the chapters. Here on the right the chapters of the beginning. On the left the last chapters. To understand the reasons for this opposition, we compare the list of specific forms of the first part to that of the specific forms of the second part. Calculation of segments repeated more than 10 times in the corpus. These segments can be treated as forms. Search for segments that contain the form Alice. We select the segments of type Alice plus verb or verb plus Alice. These segments become illustrative elements in the correspondence analysis performed on forms. With Lexico5 you can also draw the vocabulary growth curve, the Pareto diagram, a navigation manager can be used to display Gantt charts. A settings window allows you to change the appearance of graphs. The report keeps the documents you have created. To copy the visible image, press the Add to Report button. You can go back to previous images and add them to the report. You should then save your report. Navigate through your report, which looks like a website. And retrieve the saved documents. You can save these documents elsewhere. Or locate them in the recorded report, which will always be available when you leave Lexico.